Okay, so let's start. Welcome to DotNetMaster, guys. We are doing the mini project, major project, major project, student feedback. I'm taking the student success story in this video. In this video, I try to cover about student success story. My student who took this service. Okay, so mini project, major project. He taken the service from the DotNetMaster this year. Okay, and I want to be take the his feedback, his point. Okay, what we did, what are the what is our success story, what is our journey, complete journey. We develop end-to-end project, so that all the discussions I'm going to be cover up in this video. Okay, so let's start about here. I'm going to be cover up these points. Okay, first introduction about the .NET Master. As you know that .NET Master, we are .NET Master, we are from the 5 years of experience. We are doing 5 years of experience in the .NET Master. We are doing services like training and development training, and also we placed so many students by using the training and placements. Our students are working good MNCs like TCS, Wipro, all these companies are working. Okay, you can check our all the student success stories in the YouTube. Okay, so this is all about the .NET Master. So I am going to be introduced about my student who took the service about project end-to-end service. He done the mini project, major project here in .NET Master. Okay, so he is going to be explain about first he's going to be introduced himself. He's going to be introduced about he's going to be introduced, and then we talk about, I'm going to be asked you some questions, how this service, how we gone through all the services, and we successfully completed end-to-end project. Okay, so now let me introduce to my friend, like my students, I can say. So yeah, Arvind, are you there? Can you please introduce yourself, please?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friends. And my name is Arvind Rachalla. Currently, I am now pursuing in BTech final year in Jyotishmati Institute of Technology and Science. I am passionate about learning new things, technologies in the real-time projects. As part of our major and mini project, I have chosen the mini project as titled as breast cancer classification using machine learning, and the major project as legal document summarization using AI. Currently, I don't know about the technical knowledge as much. With the help of .NET Master, I contacted through Instagram and I messaged sir. He helped me so much. I done from starting to ending with the help of the sir, under the guidance of the sir.
Yeah.
I completed the project with the starting to ending.
Good. Let's start. So see, first of all, before going to the our discuss about the project, I'm going to be explain about why I started this service. Okay, so see guys, actually when I was doing my master degrees in India especially, so I feel that there is a lot of gaps are there. There is lot of there is lot of gap are there. What is the student is paying, he exactly is not getting the right knowledge in terms of mini project and major project. I am going to be explain about my story. Okay, when I was doing the MTech, so I realized that I paid some 15 to 20,000 rupees for my major project. At the end, I get only just one PDF. Even I did not get any complete project. Even I did not get any kind of help. I did not get anything. Nothing I get. Only just they given the PDF. Okay, this is your project. You understand it. When the external come, you need to explain about the project. That's it. I feel, I feel that there is a gap. There is an opportunity that, student, they are paying, but they are not getting the knowledge. So that is the reason I started this service especially. Okay, so what my vision is, whatever the student get the knowledge when and that the major project is a major key for the getting the good opportunities. Most of the companies, if you go to the when you are doing the final year project, when you go to the approach the company, especially in the campus placements, in off campus, when you go to the, in the resume, 99%, interviewers are going to be asked you, can you please explain me about your project? And students going to be failed to explain the project, because as you know that market, 70 to 80% students, what they do, just they go and they purchase some dummy project, and that's the reason they cannot explain the project properly. So this is the very big issue, very big problem. It is going to be impact not only in the, academic, not only, getting the practical knowledge, self satisfaction also, it's not there. I am paying 20,000 but I'm not getting the 0% knowledge, so that's only hurt me. Students are paying the money but they are not getting. Even some students, they ready to be paid, but they don't know, where and to be get the good knowledge. I'm not blaming that all institutes are doing. Some institutes are doing, they're really extremely well. Okay. So that is the reason I found the gap. There is a gap is there. The student need to be get the good kind of knowledge for what they exactly paying. Okay. So that is the reason I started about this service. Okay. So what exactly we do in the .NET Master is, so my intention about is by doing this project, definitely it's need to be get help into the actual, interviews. When you go to the student, go to the interviews, this need to be help, this need to be help him to be get the, good jobs. That's what my intention, main intention. Okay. So I want to be explain about, I want to be do the with the student project, I take the real time problems. Okay, most of the students, let's suppose example, I'm going to be explain to you. So last time I, took the, interview with, I last time I discussed with the, one of the my students, we done about, crowd management. We know that in the last 4 5 months we have seen the lots of problems, in the stamping, and so many, so many incidents we have seen in the papers, like daily, like in India, across the India, the lot of, crowd management, we are facing the issues. So how we are going to be, what is our, software, what is our project going to be help to solve that kind of problems. So I want to be do the projects, it's really get the good knowledge, and also at the same time need to be solve the real time problems. Okay. Even for this idea, my student got the best, project award in the, when they are, doing the internal, internal seminars, and and internal, some presentation, he got the best award for this idea. So like this, I want to be put, I want to be give the some good kind of, project titles to the students, so that it's not only help in the, real time solving the problems, understanding the skills very properly, and also it's going to be help in, getting the placements. That's the reason I started about this service. Okay. So coming to the, Arvind, we started about, Arvind, he texted, sir, I want to be do the project, but I don't have any idea about the machine learning, how to, what kind of, how to, I don't know anything. I told very clearly, don't worry about it, I explained to you. I'm telling very frankly about it. He is a very sharp guy. Arvind is a very, sharp guy. I really loved him to work with him. Okay. I really enjoyed him. And whatever I give the challenges, he completed on, on the time. Even though some in the middle, I think you're not feeling well, I guess, 1 month, I guess. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
again he replied me, sir, I'm not feeling well since, 1 month. So we have very deadline times, so I am also worried, when we are going to be complete this project. So I think we discussed most of the times at, 11 p.m, most 12 p.m sometimes. I know that all the nights we discuss, all these things, lots of challenges is, even idea about, how the real time projects in the, I explained him the how the real time the companies will do the project. We followed same kind of, architecture level. We explain, I explained him, with by diagrams, this is the high level design, this is the low level design. Okay, real time company, how they work, what is the, team, what are the methodologies, like agile methodologies are there, how the real time, when the company, any company get the project, Now, what are the teams they divide, how they split into the works, what your the role, what are the different persons roles. Okay, like you have a project manager, you have a team leader is there, some developers are there, some junior developers are there, and what is the QA role, and what we do in the unit testing, how we are going to be segregated, what is the functionality about the project, what is the technical things, what is the what are the documents they follow really, what is the block diagrams are there, these all these things we explained on the time. And I clearly explained him, this is our project, this is the block diagram high level, and explain you this is the components we are going to be introduced. Exactly, he followed, he understood very properly. I am very shocked actually, he don't know about the Python, he don't know about the any language, he don't know about the basic anything, but still he, whatever that idea I given, 100% he delivered. He he learned the skills, he learned skills very properly. And especially the design he done excellent. And the shocking thing is, what he done everything, API completed, it's ready to move the project, he completed end to end, he developed. And I have seen the outputs also, whatever he given that input, according to that exactly he's getting the outputs. That's really shocking. And also he followed all these things, like security levels also in the project, he implemented roles in the project, who is the role, who is authentication, he properly he taken the SQL database connections, he properly he authenticated properly, only authorized person only can access the dashboard, that kind of also he implemented. So this is the AI based applications we develop, machine learning, and generative AI, especially generative AI we have, and also he took the all the APIs connections and all these things, excellently he done. And also I heard recently he completed his Viva documentation, everything is completed. And also I heard from him, he got some around 98 to 99% marks, I heard. Is that correct, right, Arvind?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, excellent. And also he got some appreciation from the college, the output executions, everything, especially in the Viva, he executed the output properly, everything is working the project. And also he got the uploads from the faculty, and all the external, yes, external lab, external, everybody. So whatever that in the college, they are conducting the exams. Okay, so is that correct, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain small high level about your project? High level, just what exactly how you did.
Good afternoon, Ananda. And my project name is Legal Document Summarization using AI. With the help of Instagram, I message a text the sir using .NetMaster online. At that first, I'll give you a text like that. This is my project. Can you please help me? Within 1-2 minutes, sir has replied me. I can guide you with proper steps. With that, we can complete our project within 1 month. At the start, sir has explained that in how many days, in how many ways we can complete this project, and what are the libraries we have used, and so much. At the start, sir has conducted many meetings with at late nights also. With the step-by-step manner, sir has explained in a detailed manner. Basically, I don't know about any technical in detail. Sir has explained me how to do in very detailed manner. And my project is legal document summarization using AI. First, sir has explained that in how many ways we can do this project. Later, sir will say that if we do this one, in this way we can develop our project in a better way.
Yeah.
We have chosen in this project. We have chosen 2 models. There's a BERT and Gemini. Apart from this, we are using different one. And at last, we are confirmed that with the help of these 2 models, we can develop very efficient.
Yeah. Good. So that's what, guys, we finally successfully we have completed the project, and the project execution, project is working as expected. Project is working as expected. Successfully we delivered. So thank you very much, Arvind. And I'm very appreciate you. You have given your valuable time for explaining all these things, your success journey with .NetMaster. Okay, and I'm going to be do the all the best for you for your when you go to the interviews, right? All the best for you. I wish you to be get the good MNC company with good package. That's what I want to do. So that's it about, guys, in this video. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.